Hi folks, this is Steinbrook from Steinair. Thought we'd just take a quick second here to talk about the soldering irons we have for sale on our website and why we chose them and a little bit about them. What we have is this Weller part number WSD51. It's a digital soldering station. It is not the cheapest one out there, but it's also not the most expensive either. I'm going to turn it on here so you can see a little bit about it. The reason we like this digital one is it has a little knob on it that allows you to control the temperature. I'm just going to crank it up and set it to 800, and you'll see it heats up very, very quickly. It's at 240 right now, and it'll start heating up here pretty quickly. A couple neat things about it. It has an automatic shut-off, so after 99 minutes, it just shuts off, which we like in case somebody leaves it on. You'll see it heating up there pretty quickly. It also has removable tips and removable handles. It's also really lightweight compared to other industrial soldering stations. This is the wand for it. You'll see that the end, I'm not going to touch it because it's hotter than heck and it'll burn me, but you unscrew this and you can replace the tips. It has a sensor in the tip, so when you go to solder, it automatically feeds more power to the unit and keeps it good and hot. It's a 50-watt soldering station, so it does good for just about everything that you'd need on your airplane. Comes with this little stand and so on and so forth. We also sell these little helping hands, which are invaluable when you're soldering wires together. I'll just do a quick demonstration of it. This is a little roll of solder we sell as well. It's very thin, only 40 thousandths in diameter, and it's really nice little solder for dealing with fine wires. I have a couple wires here. I'll just wind them together and we'll just do a quick solder demonstration of this unit so you can see it. This isn't a very good job here, and not what you would typically use on your airplane. You'd do a little bit nicer job of that, but for demonstration purposes it'll work. I'll just throw them in my little helping hands here and line it up so we can see it. Take my soldering iron, which now says we're up to 788, 789, warming up as it goes. And I'm just going to put the tip here underneath my wire and let it start heating up. My little sponge just to clean the tip off. You'll see it drops the temperature of it a little bit, but it very quickly will climb back up. And this is a little roll of my thin solder that I have there. And now it's heating back up, and we'll start heating our wire. And we're back up right where we were. And here we go. You can see it doesn't take long at all. And there's plenty of solder already in our joint, and we're finished. That's a quick look at this soldering iron. It's very comfortable, very handy. It's a nice long cord, a nice rubberized grip on the wand, so you won't burn yourself accidentally, and you won't slip, and you won't hopefully poke anybody with it. The replaceable tips are very reasonably priced. And so are these units. Like everything that we sell, it's not the most expensive, it's not the cheapest. We just feel it's the best value. So take a look at our website, www.steinair.com. You can take a look at this and buy one if you want, and have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.